Hello everyone. I wanted to take this opportunity to show you how to use the website we're going to use this week. It's called musictheory.net. Once you open the website, I want you to notice up here at the top of the page where it says exercises, and I'd like you to click there. After you click exercises, it should open into a new part of the page, and the part we're going to practice is where it says note identification. Click on that. Now, when you open your screen, it will not look like this. What I need you to do is go up here to the settings circle and click on it. And I want you to open where it says clefs and change it to grand staff because we've practiced both treble and bass clef. Once you have that marked, go back. The next thing it says is range. Click on range, and I want you to move the whole notes to the bottom line of the bass clef staff and the top line of the treble clef staff. And when you go back, positions, lines, and spaces should already be set. Where it says key signatures, I only want you to mark the one at the top. Note names, it says letters, and that's what we want. Now, one of the things it gives us for right now is called helpers. I want you to go ahead and put that on to help you remember what the names of the lines and the spaces are. Eventually, I will have you click that off. If the accidentals circle is on, I want you to slide it to off. And if the note filter is on, you can slide it to off. And the other thing it says at the bottom is there's a challenge mode. If that's on, I want you to turn that off for right now. And now you have it all set up. Notice here at the top of the page, it shows you how many you've done and how many you have correct. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few of these. So we have the line at the bottom, which is low G. Underneath the staff is a D. And the top of the staff is an E. And the middle of the staff is an E. All right, now I've done 5 of them. I'm going to go over to where the 3 dots are and click. And it says a variety of things. It says reset score, show timer, reveal answer, skip question, show web settings. I would like you to go down to where it says show progress report. And I'm going to sign my report. And then click on sign report. And then it shows a link. I can copy that link. And then I can email it to myself. So what I would like you to do is when you're done, copy that link and email it to me so I know how you did. Good luck.